Ooh, and here we have it. The Apple Watch. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas to me! Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to DavidPlays. Yes, as you can see today, the day I am recording this video is Christmas Day, and I found a little present under my Christmas tree. Under my Christmas tree. That's actually Christmas for you. It's probably all news already. But look, what am I supposed to do? This was a Christmas gift, and I want to share it with you guys. I want to unbox my Christmas present on my unboxing channel, because I guess that's what we are now. Now, obviously, I wouldn't be unboxing any Christmas present on my channel. Opening. Now, obviously, I wouldn't be opening just any Christmas gift on my channel, but I just happen to know what this one is. It's a gift from my parents. Full disclosure, they actually gave this to me last night, and I opened it. My reaction was something like... So I asked them to repackage it so I could open it live on camera. Yeah. Anyway, you know what this is already. Let's get to it. We have a beautiful ribbon here. Let's set that aside. How about we put it right here, huh? That's a beautiful festive detail right there. Should have put it there while it was still Christmas. Oh, I'm so excited. I'll be honest, guys. Today, Christmas Day, I didn't want to work. The only reason I'm recording this video is because I really want to get my hands on this present. Okay. All right, here we go. Look at that, an Apple Watch Series 3. Now, when I opened this yesterday when my parents gave it to me, this is all that I saw. This is as far as I went before I asked them to put the packaging back on. So everything from this point out is gonna be new to me. So it'll be a genuine unboxing experience, don't worry guys. First and foremost, let's take a look at the packaging. We have the Apple logo, Apple Watch Series 3, the newest version of the Apple Watch, which came out this past September. I'll be honest with you guys, I didn't know if the Apple Watch was at a point where it justified my purchase. However, I will accept it as a gift, thank you very much. Oh, let's just jump right in. Ooh. Really? And I really need to up my unboxing toolkit. I'll be honest, this was extremely cheap. There you go. I just needed a little adjustment there. Let's take care of this. Here we go. Boom. Designed by Apple in California. Ooh, and here we have it. The Apple Watch. 44mm case, space gray aluminum, sport band black. I feel like this is the best configuration you can go with when you're buying it as a gift. You can't go wrong with that space gray. But let's actually take a look at it by opening this up. Dude, I've been waiting so long for this. I've been waiting so long for my very own Apple Watch. I'll be honest, I was afraid it might have been silver or some other color, but space gray, heck yes. The black sports band, perfect. I feel like the sports band is the essential band you need to have, and later on, if you want to, you can get the band of your choice. This is perfect. This is perfect, guys. All right, so here we have the USB adapter and the USB to, what do you even call this? I guess this is wireless charging, right? Here we go. There, it's so flimsy. Look at that. It won't like stay as it should be. It doesn't have enough weight. All right, so that's all that's in the box. Ooh, it's on. First impressions, the screen looks not too bright. And again, I mean, what am I compared to the iPhone 10? That's a bit unfair, I guess. Acerca el iPhone al Apple Watch. Oh, that's what I'm doing. It's right here. Use your iPhone to set up the Apple Watch. All right, let's do that. Hold Apple Watch up to the camera. Align it with the viewfinder below. Like this? What? Like this? What are you? Oh, I'm an idiot. There you go. Is that what you're talking about? Ooh, your Apple Watch is paired. Dude, it feels so comfortable. Apparently, I have very small wrists because I went to the very last one. There you go. Oh, I have the power of the small... Enable route tracking. I don't really work out, but let's enable it. You know, I pace a lot. You know, I walk around my house a lot. That's what I do. That doesn't count as exercise. I don't know what to tell you, man. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Oh my! There you have it. Got the Apple Watch. Huh. Huh. Dude, it disappears right away, huh? Oh, you can actually use this as lantern or something? That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. Sort of different watch faces, I guess. Oops. I think I just sent some friends my heartbeat. So there's that. Man, are you telling me I can't have custom ringtones on my Apple Watch? My dream of owning a Power Rangers communicator has been crushed. Customizable ringtones on my Apple Watch. That's what I want, Apple. Do it! I want that communicator sound in my Apple Watch. Then the dream will be fulfilled. I like this face. Day of the week, day of the month, time, location, weather. It's beautiful. Look at this. I can tell the time. I can actually tell the time without pulling out my phone. If I lose my phone, there you go. Well, I can't wait to keep playing around with this. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in a full review. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed my gift. If you did, as always, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Either way, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Here we go. There it is. Water resistant technology, the future.